What is AIYING? It is more than a name, a prompt method, or a collection of AI tools. AIYING means accomplishing with AI. It is a practical, human-centered framework for turning artificial intelligence into meaningful outcomes in learning, work, and everyday life. Artificial intelligence has become widely available. We can ask questions, generate content, analyze information, and automate tasks within seconds. Yet access to AI does not automatically create capability. The real gap is between what AI can produce and what people can responsibly accomplish with it. AIYING addresses that gap. It begins with human purpose and ends with measurable accomplishment. It helps a person clarify an outcome, understand the pattern within the work, collaborate with AI, apply human judgment, and improve the result through feedback. The central idea is simple. Do not organize your journey around AI tools. Organize it around accomplishment. Tools will change, models will improve, interfaces will disappear and reappear. But the human need to learn, decide, create, solve, and improve remains. AIYING keeps that human purpose at the center. AIYING develops operational intelligence for the AI era. Operational intelligence is the ability to convert understanding into effective action. It combines clear thinking, purposeful AI collaboration, practical skills, responsible judgment, and the discipline to measure whether an outcome actually improved. AIYING asks us to progress through three levels. First, understand what AI is and how it works. Second, identify what AI can help us do. Third, focus on what we can accomplish by combining AI capability with human context, judgment, and responsibility. Pattern AI provides the conceptual foundation. AI learns or extracts patterns from data, recognizes learned patterns in new situations, and generates outputs using those patterns. When we see AI as a pattern technology, we understand both its extraordinary capability and why its answers must still be checked. TAJ provides the core collaboration discipline: think, ask, and judge. Think about the outcome, context, and constraints. Ask AI with purpose and sufficient information. Judge the response for accuracy, relevance, quality, risk, and consequences. TAJ makes every interaction intentional. But thinking, asking, and judging are not enough. AIYING closes the loop with accomplishment. The response must become a decision, a creation, an improvement, or an action. The result must then be evaluated. What changed? Who benefited? What should be refined next time? AIYING travels through three human contexts. LearnFlow AI helps students, teachers, and lifelong learners improve understanding and learning. Workflow AI helps professionals and organizations improve tasks and redesign work. LifeFlow AI helps people use AI for useful decisions and activities in everyday life. Capability develops through four stages: use, build, deploy, and operate. We first use available tools. We then build reusable prompts, assistants, and workflows. We deploy solutions for others, and finally operate them responsibly through monitoring, feedback, and continuous improvement. AIYING also develops an AI body of skills. These are not merely technical skills. They include outcome clarification, task mapping, asking effective questions, verifying information, creating with AI, making decisions, automating workflows, improving quality, and scaling what works. Throughout the framework, the human remains accountable. AI may expand options, accelerate work, and reveal patterns that are difficult to notice. But people provide purpose, values, situational understanding, and final judgment. AI strengthens human capability. It does not remove human responsibility. Imagine a professional preparing an important proposal. AIYING begins by defining the decision the proposal must enable. The professional maps the required evidence, uses AI to organize and draft, verifies every important claim, improves the argument, and measures success through the response it produces. The complete AIYING sequence is therefore practical. Define the outcome, find the pattern, think clearly, ask purposefully, judge carefully, act, measure, and learn. Apply the sequence through LearnFlow, Workflow, or LifeFlow while growing from use to build, deploy, and operate. AIYING changes the question from what can AI do to what can I accomplish with AI. That question creates direction, responsibility, and possibility. In the next video, we will examine pattern AI, the foundation for understanding AI as a pattern processing technology. Develop an AIYING mind and begin with one meaningful outcome.